Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a simple fish fry with very aromatic spices which are going to make this fish fry a special and flavorful one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to receive further notifications on my daily videos. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. For this fish fry, I'm going to use a tablespoon of cumin seeds along with a teaspoon of caraway seeds, next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds along with 1 dry red chili. I'm going to use my pounder to pound this mixture and make a coarse powder. If you wish to make it in the blender, you can use a blender and make a coarse powder out of the mixture. If you look, the spices are crushed well and it is a coarse powder, not a powder. Transfer this to a bowl and set it aside. Next, I am going to pound the ginger and garlic. I am using a small piece of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. I always prefer to crush them in the pounder rather than putting it in a blender and making to a paste. The crushed ginger is always better than the paste ones or a ready-made one which we get it from the shop. Next, in a large bowl, I am going to add the prepared powder. Along with this, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and a teaspoon of turmeric. Next, I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. Adding crushed ginger garlic is completely my preference, but if you wish to make it with the paste, you can use it. Next, I am going to add salt to taste. Along with this, I am going to use 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar will help to prevent the fish from breaking into pieces while frying. Next, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil of your preference. Give this a nice mix so that everything is combined well and forms into a paste. This masala has all crushed and raw ingredients which is going to make it a very different one and very flavorful one too. To adjust the consistency, I am going to add a bit of water. We need the mixture to be in a spreadable consistency, which is like a paste but not into a liquid. Add the water little by little and get the consistency right. Give it a nice mix, and if you look, the paste is in a semi-thick consistency, not a liquid. Now let's marinate the fish. Today I am using salmon. You can use any fish of your choice. If you are using a whole fish, you can give slits in the fish and then start marinating it. I'm not going to add the whole masala. I'm just going to add partially and I'm going to give it a nice mix with my hands. Rather than using a spoon, if you use your hands, it will get mixed up very well. Mix it well so that all the pieces are covered with the spices. Before adding it to the fish, you can just check the salt content too and adjust it according to your preference. That's it. The fish is marinated. Let this marinate at least for an hour before you start frying it. The masala left can be stored in a small container in your freezer for the future use. After an hour, I am going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to my pan and heat it in a medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, you can start adding the fish in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan, just add 5 to 6 pieces or according to your pan size. Let the fish cook on each side for at least 4 to 5 minutes before turning it. Flip the pieces carefully and let it cook on both the sides equally. The salmon usually cooks very fast, so if you're using salmon, make sure you don't overcook it. Once the pieces are nice and crispy on the outer, on both the sides, you can remove the pieces from the pan and transfer it to a paper towel. Be very careful while flipping the fish pieces so that you don't break the pieces. Before removing from the pan, make sure all the sides are evenly cooked. And that's it. Our easy and flavorful fish fry is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some onion rings and lemon wedges. Enjoy!